blackberries. These yummy fruits are part of the plantae kingdom, the division Magnoliophyta, the class Magnoliophyta, the order Rosales, the family Rosaceae, the genus Rubus, and last, these blackberry species are the Rubus armeniae. In British Columbia, the Himalayan blackberry can be found all over the place, including the edge of forests and open woodlands, beside roads and trails, in gardens, beside rivers, and on farmland. They are currently distributed on the Lower Mainland, Sunshine Coast, Fraser Valley, Gulf Islands, Central to Southern Vancouver Island, Queen Charlotte Island, the Okanagan, and the West Kootenay areas. These fruits are growing at fast rates and have now become an invasive species. Every one of these bushes have prickly flower stalks to protect the plant from animals eating the plant. The Himalayan blackberry is a great source of food for birds and can make so many different recipes for us using this tasty fruit. For example, blackberry pie.
An entire blackberry plant consists of the stems, leaves, and
fruit.
The stems are called biennial canes, which are often a reddish tone and covered in thorns. Grown off of the stems are the oval leaflets, often containing 3 or 2 leaves attached to petioles, which are also covered in thorns. Like most fruit-bearing plants, blackberries produce flowers in place of where a fruit will grow. These flowers possess both female and male reproductive structures. The male portions are called stamens and the female pistil. The dark fruits that grow in the plants are actually not berries, but fruits that possess drupelets. Each druplet consists of 1 seed and is grown around a white
Core.
Himalayan blackberries are an invasive species that originated in Asia, resulting in many problems in
Canada.
They compete with native berry species such as salmonberries and trailing blackberries for
Space.
Unfortunately, Himalayan blackberries have the unfair advantage of developing in a different ecosystem, meaning they often end up taking living space away from native plants. The animals that feed on blackberries have been more or less unaffected and feed off them like any other fruit. Himalayan blackberries are now a large part of fruit-eating animals' diets because of their abundance. They have tarnished the habitat they exist on with their overgrowth and are now despised and loved by many.